Babies can melt anyone's heart, even the most spoiled and picky cats.
I want to be Marvin.
You love Marvin?
Love looks a little furrier and a lot more loyal. If this made you smile, follow us for more heartwarming moments. It seems like this little girl is turning her friend into an iPad cat.
Play with him.
You're playing with him.
I play with him. He got watermelon. He got watermelon.
You got a watermelon?
Yeah.
Look, Human, I'm taking care of the baby for you. Make sure to pay me well later.
He's bouncing a pickle.
This will surely be a core memory for her with her furry bestie. Kitties and babies, this combo can melt anyone's heart.
Give it pets. Oh yeah, that's good. Say good kitty. You're being so gentle.
One cat can easily outshine a pile of toys that makes the baby laugh. Sleeping under the protection of this bodyguard, you're completely safe.
Hello.
I wonder if babies smell like catnip to them.
Are you Groot? Bubby.
Looks like someone really enjoyed the caregiving lesson at school.
Oh, kisses. You wanted to kiss the kitty.
Aww, the way she hugs her friend is just like hugging a stuffed animal.
Gently put your hand there and then pet it like this. Good job.
Yeah.
We treat all animals kindly, huh? Like gentle? Are we gentle?
Did you know the cutest and sweetest friendships often start with a first meeting, just like these two little buddies?
No, don't touch that part, baby. Kitty gets that part.
A clear sign that your cat has officially marked its love of the new family member. I'm here, little buddy. Shh. Nightmares, go away. Shh. A perfect weekend for two introverted kids.
Do you have hugs for Wilbur? Charlie, do you have a hug for Wilbur? Sweet buddy. Thanks, kitty.
Who could possibly resist melting at such sweetness? Having a cat as a friend is so much better than just having an iPad, huh?
and